Good morning, Macomb teachers. This is Shannon Williams, CTE consultant. I just wanted to give you a quick Manufacturing Day update, and I'm excited to do it because a lot of questions have come out. Are we still doing Manufacturing Day? Yes, we are. It's going to look a little bit different, obviously, this year than in past years. We're doing, instead of just one day, we're doing a whole Manufacturing Day week. With virtual tours and live events throughout the week. So let me share with you really quick. It will start September 28th, this Monday. So this Friday is October 2nd. This is actually Manufacturing Day. And what we've scheduled is we've identified 6 sponsoring companies. Thank you so much. We have RCO Engineering, Avon Machining, Forey Automation, Paslin, Michigan Michigan Production Machining, and Triumph Gear. Those are our 6 sponsoring manufacturers that are going to run live interactive events for students and teachers throughout the week. So how it works is registration is now open. That's why I wanted to give you this update video. Some of you are virtual and some of you are face-to-face. If you are face-to-face, you can register for your whole class. So if I'm a teacher and in first hour, I want to do Forey for my first hour class on Tuesday, I can register for that event and then just stream in with all my students. If your students happen to be virtual, you can encourage your students to individually register because then they will be sent the link to their email that they register with. So make sure you tell your students, use a working email, and they will be sent the link prior to the event so that they can connect that way. One of the things that you're probably wondering is, well, I would really love for my students to participate in all of them, or maybe, the RCO Engineering, but I don't have a class during this time and my students are virtual. All of these events after the date they're all going to be recorded and then they're going to be housed on the website. So if you wanted to use RCO Engineering with your class at a different time slot, you can do that as a recording after that day. So Tuesday, all of the Monday events will be available. On Wednesday, the Monday and the Tuesday events will be available. You can kind of see how that works. So where you're going to find everything for registration and how you register, it's very simple. You're going to go, and it's in the email as well that you're receiving, MacomBMFGday.com. This is the website. It describes a little bit about, what we're doing and how we're switching it over with all the different time slots. And then to register, and you can register for all of them. You have to do it individually. Each registration is individual. But please feel free. You don't have to just pick one. We encourage all teachers to participate. We would love to see as many connections as possible. But all you do is you go under register. Say you picked the Forey on Monday at 11:30, or that's what you instructed your students to do. Once you go there, it'll give you a little description of Forey, and then the students would just put in, or you as the teacher, if you're doing it live with your class seated there, you're going to put your name, their email address, and then we ask, who they are. We ask where they're from, their grade level, and, what county they're in, just so we know, because this is actually being pushed out quite large, because, I'm very proud of our Manufacturing Day committee for putting in all this effort. Thank you. Special thank you to Janelle Arbuckle for the amount of work that she put in connecting with our sponsors. And then you just click register. It's as simple as that. Now, one of the things that the county is going to do is they will send me so if you want to know, did your students connect? That's always a question. How do I know if I tell my students to connect? How do I know if they actually connected? I will be getting the list of all the registrations. I'm not going to share it out to everyone, but I will filter out by school. So if students from Chippewa Valley schools were on there for, let's just say, the RCO tour, I will send that to the CTE director for Chippewa Valley, and then they can get that to the, so that's the median. That's how we're going to share the registration. I just don't want to share student information out to schools outside of the school that they're from. So that's kind of how that's going to work. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, but I would really highly encourage you to be involved with as many as you can. I know that each of these tours is designed to run about an hour. So it'll be a live tour with the company walking through, a live Q&A where the students can interact with them. There will also be like sponsor booths for other sponsors who wanted to participate but maybe not in a live setting, so students can explore that. And then you'll find all of the recordings from the previous live events on the same website. So I highly encourage you, please participate. Please encourage your students to participate. You will notice that if I go back to the schedule, we try to stagger the times in order to accommodate as many as we can for the different time slots and schedules that you're all running right now. But you'll also notice that there is a 3 to 4 o'clock, and you might be wondering, why are we doing, those are post-school hours, right? 3 to 4, technically our students are done with school for the day. We did this because this allows, if you want your students to participate and maybe you have them check into your virtual class for the day, but their assignment is to participate from 3 to 4, and that's maybe their homework for the day. Or you can get creative, but it just left for flexibility to allow more students to connect. If by chance you have, you know, I'll go to the Michigan production machining, it's running from 11:30 to 12:30. Well, let's say that your students can only stay until 12:15 because they have to get to another class, or don't let that deter you. Have them connect, and they can leave early if they need to, or likewise, maybe you don't have them in your class until 11:45 and they have to connect a little bit late. That's okay too. Still encourage them to register, participate, jump in where they can, and then utilize the recorded sessions after. So registration is up and live, and please go to MaccombMFGday.com. Choose your registration, register for as many as you want, encourage your students to register for as many as they want, and we hope to see you on the day. Also, if you happen to, on that date, take any cool pictures or screen captures, or if it's you connecting virtually with students in your room, or if you have a student who is connecting virtually from home and they can, you know, send you a picture of their experience and how they connected, and then you can send it to me, I would greatly appreciate it. I would love to kind of capture how the event went. So hope to see you there. I will be on each meeting, I will also be at each live event that week to kind of be helping and facilitating. So hope to see you there, and have a great week.